This is just a little video of my clean craft room. I've spent several days on it, and I've got an assortment of crafts in here. I have my sewing machine and my cross stitch, just all kinds of different things. I've got a place to hang cards if I sell them. Got cards all up along there that people have given me or that I've made. And that's how I store my 8.5 by 11. I got it at a flea market, and I like it. It was only 50 bucks. And then I keep my in color papers and discontinued cardstocks in there. My blender pens I keep there. I don't have them right by my desk, but that's okay. I need to get up. So other supplies. And then I keep notebooks. I have a retreat notebooks that I've done or I've taken part in. I have other card demo tutorials, my product inventory, and that's where I keep my 6x6. I got that tutorial from Rhonda Wade and it works out really well. And this desk, I think my husband got it Harbor Freight, but I'm not positive. It's a work desk, for a workshop. But yeah, that it works well for me because it's adjustable and I like to stand up. I have an extra large tote at the bottom for all my current designer series paper. I got that little storage thing. I can't remember where I got it. It's been a hot minute. But it's handy to keep things taken care of. Behind me, I've got a table that I got from IKEA, and then I bought a couple low stands so I can put more things there. I've got a box of Christmas cards. That bottom Stampin' Up box is that hardboard that I can use for folios and things like that. My Christmas paper I keep right down there, and my Christmas stamps because I'm using them right now, so I keep them close. So more storage here. Adhesives, I have to label everything. Adhesive, loose embellishments, tools, water pencils, spritzers. And then I have big stencils. I have some patterns, non-stamping stuff in there. And adhesive sheets. That bottom one says dies, but I've taken those out. I'm kind of looking to see what I can get rid of. And this is all my 12 by 12 solid cardstock. Some is current, some is not. And this is not designer series paper from Stampin' Up. It's just other paper. So, and I keep, that's a Stampin' Storage box that I got several years ago. And I keep my ink refills in old cheese boxes. And of course, there's my banner that Tracy made for the Fall Fling Mini Retreat. I've got different projects up there. My retired Christmas stamps, I've purged a bit. I've got stencils, retired embossing folders, retired 6x6 paper, some chemicals that I may use, and my ribbon. I can't say that this is all current. And I can't say that those embossing folders are all current. And I do keep my retired inks for usually a year, wait until they're all out of the last chance sale. And I have the refills up there and my ink daubers. So during COVID, I tried all kinds of different adhesives. So I have different guns here because it just depends on what was in stock during COVID. And this is what I keep my cards in. Got a plethora. Absolutely a plethora. And I usually send to Cards for Kindness. I send them something a couple times a year. There are my punches. I don't get rid of those very often unless it's very specific to a stamp set. That was Stampin' Storage, and this unit I got from IKEA with a couple Stampin' Storage boxes for my Stampin' Up 12 by 12 papers. Those are retired papers for the most part, but I still keep them if I find that they're of use. I've got these boxes are templates. I got that idea from Jackie Bullheis, and so I keep those in there, and it's overflowing. This is paper my granddaughter can use. Hobby Lobby, Michael's, that kind of thing. And those are all empty boxes for Paper Pumpkin that I wanted to keep for boxing up kits. The first 2 shelves is all current product, and the last 3 are retired, which I need to purge again. And I've got dies and Paper Pumpkin and non-Stampin' Up stuff, and don't have much non-Stampin' Up, but my closet was what I just finished. I got a 9 cube and a 6 cube, and it's storing a lot. I've got my own postal system and my box, my light box out, so that was my goal, is to get some things taken care of that way. And my shelf, I've got current kits, envelopes, padded envelopes, all the good stuff. So I hope this gives you some inspiration for getting your craft room clean. I'll see you next time.